Hello everyone. Choosing the right print-on-demand platform can make a big difference in your business. In this depth comparison video, we will compare Teelaunch and Printful to help you determine which one is better for your needs. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So guys, this is the dashboard of Printful. This is how it looks like, and it looks pretty like attractive, good looking, and organized, as you may see. So everything in the dashboard is actually pretty insane and good looking. Here they are showing you how you can connect your store, how to add product to store, how to set up billing, and order samples. So it is pretty good, detailed, and they are explaining for you the steps, how to do the steps, so you can make your store pretty good. Now for making like products, you can simply go to here and go to product catalog, and from here you have to choose one of their goods. So here they have men's clothing, women's clothing, kids and youth clothing, health accessories, and home living. Each one of these can make and go to a lot of like sub menus, as for example for men's clothing there's t-shirt, all over shirts, etc. The same goes for every single category of these. So there is bunch of things, and they are pretty high in quality. So everything here you are making is pretty decent in quality. You will not regret buying it as a customer, of course. So let's start by creating kind of a product here. Let's go for men's clothing, and let's choose a hoodie. So all hoodies and sweatshirts, and let's choose this one as an example. So yeah, I'm going with this one. Let's go for this one. Yeah, I like this one. So as you may see here, you can create a product template as you can see here, or order it directly. To create a product template, click here, and as you may see here, they will show you a tutorial on how you can start creating, designing, and stuff. For now, I'm going to click on skip, and I will do everything by my own since I have knowledge about that. First of all, you have to drop your design over here on the middle. So click on this button if you'd like, and then upload a new file, and you can simply choose an image from your gallery. I'm going, for example, with this logo. Couldn't upload because it has a bigger size, so let's try to add a new logo. um all right, I don't know if there is any photos that will work for me. Okay, this one has worked. Nice. So I'm going to use this Wix logo as our logo in this t-shirt, and it will be the artwork that we will be using. The same goes for this application, guys. This application is pretty cool, pretty insane, easy to use, and the most important thing, it is free to use. So as I said, now let's just apply this logo here, and it will be added on this shirt. So you can easily drag it, move it, unlike the other platforms. The other platforms will tell you how you'd like to position. The same here, they give you this option, as you can see, right, left, middle, top, bottom. But as you can see, you can even move it as you'd like, as long as it is in the circle or in the square. Because there is multiple placements, there is center chest, large chest, left chest, and much more. You can even put it in the right waist, which is like in your right arm. Over here you can place it as well. You can continue. It will be over here in that hand, so it's gonna be over here, and this is how it's gonna be printed. It doesn't look as it is a printing. It look like it has been like created with the hoodie. So now once you have put it your own logo, next step it is to give it a title. So make sure to give a good title for the hoodie, since it will be published on your stores. So you can ask, for example, ChatGPT to give you a good name for your hoodie, or you can just give it your brand name as well. That will work. Here you'll have to choose which kind of sizes you'd like to have. You can add all the sizes or just keep some of them. We'll just have to go with all of them, and then click on save products. As you can see, templates, And here it is, you have your product templates here, and the next thing to do is just go ahead and add it to a store. There will be so many stores here. As you can see, you can connect it to Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix, Squarespace, here Webflow. So there is a bunch of options, and you can also add it manually or the platform or API. So this is pretty cool. They are showing you every step during that. You can here even make some promotion for your products. As you can see, you can see the statistics. So this actually Printful is a platform that is completed. They have all the tools for you that you might need in the future to look at your partner program, your orders, file library, promote your own product using their own kind of platform. So everything here is ready for you to use with all the instructions to follow. And this is it for Printful. So as you can see guys, this is Teelaunch. So basically here guys, as you create your account, it will be like this for the first time. So here you can start by creating any kind of products. And as you may know, this is all for free. So you don't have to pay anything in order to create anything in here. But I will show you every mistake or problem that you might face inside of your design creation. So first of all, let's get to something that we want to create. So there is a menu here of stuff that you can choose from: accessories, apparel, drinkware, home goods, jewelry, kitchenware, lifestyle, office, pet, war art, and sports. And basically you just have to choose one of these categories. So let's go to here and let's choose some kind of clothing. So I'm going with hoodie. So here we go. Let's go with this one, for example, sweatshirt. Here I'm going to click on continue, and here we go. So this is the hoodie, and this is how it looks like. Now we can simply add here any kind of artwork, and as you may see here, the minimum dimension has to be between 2400 and 1 or 1000 10k and 10k. File size has to be between 0 byte into 100 megabytes. So let's upload a file, for example. Here it is an example. We can choose this. As you may see, all the files that you might drag into here will not be uploaded. Sometimes it will accept that, sometimes it will not. So it will be really hard to choose the correct dimensions. So in order for you to choose the correct dimensions, make sure to find kind of like a template to work on. As for me, I use this Google Bard logo. I just have to take it to Photoshop, add it there, and then I just remove this logo from there, and I start creating a new design over it. So this is a template that I'm using for creating artwork on my shirts. So here you can add your art placement, choose where you want it to be, and basically you can choose whatever you'd like it to be, and right, left. So these are pretty precisely. Here you choose the color. So here there is all the colors that you might get this hoodie on. So for us, we can choose, for example, these four colors, and we might get it in these four colors. And there is some really good designs, as you may see here. I can either choose this one, and start like choosing which one is the best looking for me. So I guess I'm going with tie-dye cotton, and then here I'm going to choose the size. So I'm going to go with S, M, L, X, L, and XS. Here I'm going to click on next, and simply here you will notice that the selling price of this will be at $56. So here the price of this hoodie with your profit. So the only cost of it will be 28, and this is your profit. So you can change it here and all the way down, and you can't really pass 28. So will be the cost. Unless you want to make no profit, you can make it over to 28, but you will be making zero profit. In case you like to make profit, at least add $10 minimum so you can have like worth profits. Here you will have to add kind of a description, and of course you will have to add the title. And this, as you can see, this platform is pretty easy to use, pretty cool. You don't have to do anything. Already they are giving you description for you to start using it, and simply that's it. You have created your first product successfully. So now you can go either to choose a different product to work on, or you can create another ITC Women's Light shop, or you can simply click on stores, connect your store that you have, for example, on Etsy, on I don't know which kind of website you have your store on, for example, Shopify. So as you can see here, you can add either it's your WooCommerce, and then all the products that you are creating on Teelaunch will be directly published on that store that you have connected to here. And that was it for Teelaunch. It is pretty easy to use, free, and will take a couple seconds for you to create your design on literally any goods that you might find here. So guys, that was it to today's video. That was the brief about these two applications. I hope to decide which one is better for you, and see you guys in the next tutorial.